In this video, I will show you how you can remove background from any image in just 5 seconds. Removing background is a very time consuming work and it's really very tough if you are using Photoshop or any kind of photo editing application. So how about you just import your image in a software and within a few seconds, the software detects the background of the image and remove that. Sounds pretty confusing, right? But the process is so easy that a 5-year-old internet boy can do this in just a few clicks. So go to google.com and type remove.pg. You can type it at your URL section as well, but the concept of the website is so amazing. There is no ads on their website, you don't need to pay anything for their service. You can remove unlimited backgrounds in just 5 seconds. I'm not sure about they never put premium services at their website, but as of now, it's completely free of cost. Okay, so just upload your picture here or you can put the link of the image if that was uploaded anywhere. And as soon as the website detects your picture, it will start removing background. And within a few seconds, your transparent without background PNG image will ready to be downloaded. So that's it for the video. Hope you like it and happy about how quickly you can remove background from any image. So don't forget to press the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be updated whenever we post an awesome new video. So we will catch you in the next one. Till then, tada!